How to pair the sports wireless earphones to a Xiaomi phone with Android 13. Let's get started. So you probably got these from eBay, Amazon, or probably Temu site, and you want to know how to pair them up to your Xiaomi phone. So of course, make sure they are fully charged to have some battery life in them. And then while they are in the off state, you're going to look for the power button, or usually the answer and call button is your pairing mode button as well. And to get them into pairing mode so they can show up on your Xiaomi phone here, long press the button here, the main power function, and hold it down until you see the blue-red blinking light. Let's go ahead and do that. So holding it down now, and you'll see this happen, and let it go when it starts doing that. That's the pairing mode state. And now on your Xiaomi phone, you are going to head over into the Bluetooth settings, look for it, long press it. That'll take you to the main Bluetooth settings here and turn it on. That's going to start searching for nearby devices. You'll find the name of your Bluetooth earphones. Check your manual guide to find the exact name itself. You'll see Bluetooth music. As you select it, it's going to say pairing. You'll have to accept the request by pressing pair. And this is going to happen. If you want to use the hands-free settings, it's up to you. Turn it on. And if not, just close it out. And then you should be connected like that there. Okay. Also check here to get some more settings to make it enable for phone calls, media, and the absolute volume settings. Okay. Like and sub.